Good morning. Here we have a beautiful sunny day, and I like to show an alternative to the green smoothie we usually have. This will be a Swiss muesli. I soaked last night some kasha here with raisins.
That's buckwheat, roasted buckwheat you can buy in the health food store.
And then this morning I milled here in this mill some oat and some millet, and I soaked this too. So now I can mix
this
it.
has been soaking for about an hour.
A
couple hours.
Yeah.
So it's soaked.
Yeah. And then we put some chia seeds in here.
Now we have chia seeds and all those things. Wow.
And here we have two really nice big bananas. I usually just make it smaller with a fork, just coarsely. It will still have some nice chunks in there. It's really wholesome. And then we'll put some moringa powder. That's considered a superfood.
And some green.
And some clove. And then I have some blueberries here.
Okay, frozen.
You can use some fresh ones. I just like the ones, these are the really blue inside, not white inside. Blueberries, they're more potent, yeah. Yeah, and then we just grate the apples. So now that I've finished with the apples, it makes it nice and saucy here. It's really good.
Yeah, all that apple juice.
Yes. And then we have some ginger and turmeric.
Turmeric root.
And we'll grate a little bit in here. It looks so amazing. Look at this
orange,
color.
yeah.
And then some ginger, I put a little more in.
You really get a good appetite making muesli.
Yeah, that's really how in Switzerland we make it, with a grater like this. And it's nice exercise. And put lots of love in there. We always like to have it nicely mixed.
This is enough for 2 hungry people.
Yes, yeah. And now comes the yogurt. We made fresh
homemade
in
yogurt.
the kitchen here, and there is a video how to make it. It's homemade, which you can see then on the other video. So
I can smell that. It smells good.
Yeah, it smells like real yogurt, and it's so easy to make. This is hemp granola. Everything is organic, vegan. And then we have some of the lemon everywhere. Some cinnamon. Does a garnish a little bit of that fresh yogurt.
Beautiful.
So this is the original Swiss muesli. And bon appétit!
Wow, looks good.